Hello guys, so today we're doing cabin filter replacement and location. It took me a minute to figure out what it was, but I found them. So I was trying to figure out what the hell is that. So right here, guys, right here. So you remove this lock out of the way. Remove it. This thing, I know it hasn't been changed for. They haven't been changed for a long time. You can see. Wait. Look at that. Damn. Look at that. Damn. Damn. Man, this is really bad. So, this is a 2004 Nissan Xterra, and you can tell how bad these cabin filters are. So much stuff in there. Even my I might even have to take off everything out of there just to make it work better. This is really bad, man. This last owner, he didn't know what the hell he was doing. This is why it explains. I was like, why is this piece, ever since I bought the car, this piece always been broken? So it explains a lot that they were actually trying to find it, but they couldn't find it themselves either, or they struggle and they just gave up and they just left the cabin filters, in there. So to start the video, the process, the glove compartment moves out of the way with 4 screws, maybe 5, I don't know. There's one right here. There's another one right here. There's one right here, and the other 2 right here, and the rest out here. And you just pull the whole entire thing out. Just remember, cabin filters are always gonna be here in this area. It took me a minute to figure out where they were until I was finally spot them. And the spot, I was like, okay, so that's where they're at. All right. I do not want to do this extra work. This is a lot of extra work. It's gonna take a whole day. So, man, there's leaves in there, there's everything in there. Look at that. Man, if I do take it off, it's gonna be fucking a lot of work. It's gonna be another day for that video, but mainly the video is only replacing the cabin filters. I never thought it was gonna be that dirty, but it turns out to be that dirty. Unless I grab the vacuum, and then I could just vacuum everything out. Should be good. You know what? Since I'm already in here, I might just do it all at once. So I know it takes this bolt. There's another one right here, and there's another one under here somewhere, and one right here. Disconnect the power for the heater, radiator, and all that stuff. But it's gonna take a lot of time. Oh man, this is not good. I never thought I was gonna find this like this. I know they have not been changed for a very long time, because when I bought it, the owner told me I haven't changed the cabin filter. It's been a couple of years, and I was like, how many years? Like maybe 4 years or more. Yeah, he was right. 4 years or more are over here. So, man. Let me see how this is gonna work. The thing is that it's dirty in there. I know it's dirty. My temptation is there. It's really there. Oh man, the blower is here. I might even need to move that. I don't have time for that either. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna put the cabin filters in, and then this one is gonna be a video for tomorrow. Cleaning out the cabin filter box, pretty much. But that was it. I just want to show you guys where the location was, and make sure if you haven't changed your cabin filters, make sure you check in, is to make sure they're up to date. Thank you for watching.